All right, I have a Preditor super quiet inverter 9500. Absolutely love it, and it is quiet. I have it set up for my concession smoker trailer. I have 10.5 hours on it, but the aggravating thing about this is that little light. It shuts down whenever anybody walks by and farts. So people have been telling me it's the carbon monoxide detector. Why in the world would anybody put a carbon monoxide detector in a enclosed generator? That's like putting a fart detector in your fart fan in your bathroom. Okay, I'm going to locate the carbon monoxide detector, and we're going to start off with these 4 screws here, which look like a 5/16. Then I'll pull the cover off. And like magic, right there is the carbon monoxide detector. I see no rhyme or reason why it would be close to the muffler, but it is. So I'm going to attempt to fix this in a matter of seconds. I've got a piece of West Virginia chrome known as duct tape. I'm going to put it on. Rub it down, and we'll see how well it works, and if it works like I expect it to be, and there will not be a part 2 like the Titanic. Hope you all have a good day.